Hey guys, Justin here from Simplified Investing. Hope you guys all had an amazing day trading. I wanted to put together this video as an intra-week analysis, as on top of what we put together on Sunday. I like to break this down intra-week to keep you guys posted on things that I'm seeing and potential plays for you guys, and especially for those who aren't members, to get an insight into what we are looking at and plays that we are looking at. As always, I like to start here with the SPY, the market ETF, and here's basically what I'm seeing. We called out on Sunday here, watch this support at this 295 area and a potential target at 305 here, actually 303.70 to be exact. This target has been hit from our updated watch list here. You can see we get these higher lows here and this strong uptrend pattern here. One thing that I was really looking for on a close today was a break above this 303.70 area here. We'll zoom in on a shorter time frame so you can see this level. We get this huge reversal off of this 297.64 support area here, which ended up being a strong top here on last Wednesday. And really what we're seeing into close is this very strong, slow uptrend into close here, and we're getting this rejection at this 303.70 level here, pushing up here in the after hours and into close here. Next target on the hold of this 303 is going to be this 307.17 area within the coming few days. This could see a correction here. If we go to the 1 year, 1 day here, if we can see a correction pullback up to this 382, you can see this pullback here confirming the strong support at 295. See this slight pullback or correction and then push and still make higher highs here up into this 307 region with a potential target up into this 313 area right here on the breakthrough that. Again, if we zoom in on a shorter time frame, this 303.70 level, if we're pushing above this tomorrow, especially pre-market and on open, this will form a new support here with a strong resistance at this 307 area. The next one, and reason why the markets are pushing up after hours here, especially the Dow Jones, is going to be due to the news that Boeing is going to be resuming 737 MAX production. This is huge news, as this is something that has crippled their stock for the past year and has really been detrimental to Boeing's image as well as their growth. This is going to be huge news here. You can see the market's reaction here, pushing up big time right into this 155.85 level here and breaking. This is something that does have big potential tomorrow. This is huge news that did come out for Boeing. I'm going to be analyzing this one pre-market and on open to see if we do see some strength. One problem with Boeing recently is that you are going to be experiencing higher premiums, which in turn is going to be more risky. However, this news that is out on Boeing is very, very prevalent and very important. So I will be analyzing this on pre-market tomorrow. We can zoom out on this time frame here. Really what we're trying to see is this very strong top here at 188.91 and especially strong here at 174.22. The triple top here at 154.63, which is what I'm watching to break. We are above this level here. However, I will be monitoring this tomorrow and especially on tomorrow's close with a general target here at 188. Obviously, this is a stretch from where it's at now. However, that is going to be the strongest level for Boeing to break before we fill this big cup formation pattern here. So this is something for you guys to keep your eye on. Again, we'll zoom out or zoom in on the shorter time frames here. Really pushing up strong after hours on that news to the 155.81 level, and then with a strong top here at 162.93 and a base support at 150.66. As always, when playing something like mentioned with higher premiums here, make sure to keep a close monitoring on your position, as higher premiums are going to be a riskier position for you guys. The next one that I am watching for tomorrow and for this rest of this week is going to be Zoom. Basically what I'm seeing here on Zoom is we get this strong reversal candlestick here off of this 149.16 bottom, and we push up the rest of the day, a strong uptrend here as we were seeing with SPY. This is a strong uptrend here. We'll zoom out on the 1 year, 1 day here. Basically what I'm seeing is going to be these higher lows here. So you get this correction here on 4.6, correction here on 4.30, correction here on 5.26, and obviously today we rebounded from this. However, we're getting these corrections here and we're making these higher lows here, which is a bullish sign to the upside. upside. I'm going to be watching this tomorrow, see if we can get some more strength and push the upside. Zoom has been one that has sold off here, back down to this 149.55 level, and now we are reversing to the upside. This is going to be one that I'm watching. I'll zoom in on shorter time frame. Level, strongest top here at 163.39, and then we got 167.82. Strong support here at 156.26, and watching this 161.06 level here to see if we can break and form another support here tomorrow on Zoom. The last play that I'm watching here is going to be GLD. GLD is going to be a gold ETF. One thing that I really like about GLD is how the spreads are very minimum and how much volume you have on your position. Sometimes with Zoom, for example, the spreads are going to be very large and you can't get filled all the time. With GLD, the spreads are very short and very limited, and you can get filled on your positions rather quickly as soon as you send in that limit order. So here's what I'm seeing on GLD for this week. We get this strong bottom here at 158.45, and right here at 159.16 you can see a bottom here, bottom here, bottom here, and this push up to this 164.96 level here. We get this strong push up here off of this 159.16 bottom here. We can zoom in on a shorter time frame. So you can see this reversal candlestick here off the morning lows right here, off of pre-market. Come open, we get this strong uptrend here with SPY. However, we failed to break this 161.37 level here, which is the level I was watching for a push up to this 162 level. This is going to be something to watch tomorrow. We get this strong support at 160.68, again resistance at 161.39, and another resistance here at 162. I would ideally like to see this 162 level break tomorrow for this continuation and push and confirmation of this correction here. Still in a downtrend pattern here, however, a bullish formation on this candlestick here. Looking for a continuation to the upside where we got rejected at 164.96. This is going to be a level to watch to break out to the upside even farther, and a break to the downside would be below this 158.39 level. This is going to be one, as I mentioned, that I will be monitoring closely tomorrow, as well as Zoom and Boeing and SPY. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and as always, if you could like and subscribe to our channel and even leave a comment down below on some place that you're watching, it would be greatly appreciated. Hope you guys all have an amazing evening and look forward to tomorrow. Thank you.